What if I told you that AI can write, compose, and even sing a song in less than a minute? Sounds crazy, right? But today, I'm going to show exactly how you can do it using just DeepSeek AI and Suno AI without touching an instrument or a mic. And the best part, the whole process takes less than a minute. Stay till the end, because I'll reveal the full AI-generated song, and trust me, you don't want to miss it. Let's dive in. Before going to the video, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the notification bell icon. Okay, let's go to the video. First, head over to Google and search for chat.deepseek.com. Sign in, and you'll be ready to generate song lyrics using AI. In the chat box, type a prompt like this: "I had a breakup and I'm feeling sad. Please write song lyrics for me with rhyming words in English." Make sure to select DeepThink R1, then hit enter. After a few seconds, DeepSeek AI will generate a complete set of song lyrics. Once it's done, select all the lyrics and copy them. Now, let's bring these lyrics to life. Go to Google and search for Suno AI. Sign in, and you'll land on the dashboard. Navigate to the Create tab and enable the Custom feature. Here, paste the copied song lyrics. Next, choose the music style you want. For the title, you can either use the one suggested by DeepSeek AI or come up with your own. Once everything is set, click the Create button. In just a few seconds, Suno AI will generate 2 versions of your song. And here is the final result.
The clock ticks slow in this empty room. Silence screams where your voice once bloomed. Shadows dance where your laughter played. Now just ghosts in the vows we made. I trace the lines of our last goodbye, a shattered map neath the starless sky. But every end is a seed to sow. Maybe